Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of juicers with a detailed review of the Nama J3 Cold Press Juicer. Now, cold press juicers have gained quite a reputation for their ability to retain nutrients and produce high-quality juice. Let's see if the Nama J3 lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and the Nama J3 doesn't disappoint. It arrives securely packaged with thoughtful, sustainable materials. Assembling the juicer is straightforward, thanks to its intuitive design. The compact size makes it a good fit for most kitchens, easily sliding under cabinets when not in use. Now, onto the juicing performance. The Nama J3 impressed me with its efficiency. It operates quietly and produces juice relatively fast. I tried various recipes, from a nutrient-packed green juice to a zesty grapefruit blend. Each time, the juicer extracted juice efficiently with minimal pulp and froth. What about nut milk? The Nama J3 handled this task admirably. I soaked hazelnuts overnight, fed them through the juicer with water, and voila! Creamy, homemade nut milk that even passed the espresso test. Cleaning is often the dreaded part of owning a juicer, but the Nama J3 makes it manageable. Most parts rinse clean with ease, though a few areas require a bit more attention. Remember, a thorough clean ensures longevity and optimal performance. So, should you consider buying the Nama J3? If you're serious about juicing and value quality, this juicer offers top-tier performance. Despite being on the pricier side, its capabilities from juicing to nut milk making are hard to beat. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply looking to upgrade your kitchen arsenal, the Nama J3 proves to be a worthy investment. That wraps up our review of the Nama J3 Cold Press Juicer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.